Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this metallic grey Toyota CHR. Now of course, walking around the car you'll notice you get LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant satin black alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of these 18-inch alloys. Just showing you the rear alloy now. Coming around to the rear, you've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Inside the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which do fold down to allow for extra space inside the tailgate. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all around, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we then have your electric handbrake in the middle. We've got your automatic gearbox. We've got dual climate control in the front with two front heated seats. Then we have your touchscreen display. Now in here we have your satellite navigation. We've then also got your various audio sources here, including AM, FM, DAB, AUX, Bluetooth. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the top left. Just below are your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Over to the right-hand side, we have your onboard computer controls at the top, including your lane keep assist, speed limiter and distance control. Your cruise control is just here. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 37,642 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Toyota CHR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.